Today I got a new package from Amazon. This one is big and heavy. Let's open it and see what we have here. It's packed. Okay. Let's cut this also. Okay. So the outer part is now moved. Let's see this. Okay. And here comes the Stanley 14-inch planer. So it's in a bubble wrap. Let's see here the details. Okay, let me remove the bubble wrap and we will see what we have. Okay, it's big and heavy. Let's see what this says. It's packed in December 2022. MRP is 1918 rupees. 1918 rupees. Okay. Let's open it. Let's see. So I have never used this tool in my life. So okay, this is just to keep it in one place. Okay, this one is heavy. I think this one is oversized one. Okay. Oversized in the sense like oversized for the purpose I have bought it. Let me remove this plastic cover and we will see. This is really heavy. There is an oil here somewhere. Okay, so let me explain the reason I bought this tool. So in monsoon season, the doors they get warped or swollen, because of which I was facing difficulties in closing the door. So to cut the extra wood, I thought let's buy a planer. so so considering my use case, this is an overkill. But I think it should be able to cut the excess wood in the monsoon from the side of the door quite easily. Okay, there is some mechanism. As I said, this is the first time I'm using this. But yeah, so they have some mechanism like here. I can remove it, and okay, I have to learn it. So this is one part. This is, I think, the blade, as you can see. Which will cut the surface of the wood. There is an oil here. Okay, let me put it here in this cardboard. This is a mechanism. Then there is one mechanism here also. To control the blade, I think, like how much depth it will be. So if you read here, what it says is correct angle for grinding is 25 degree. STANLEY. If you read it here, what it says is STANLEY 25 degree angle for grinding. Okay. Here's the oil. The blades are not that sharp. Is it a used product? I'm not sure. Okay, let's put it here. And let's try to put it here. So let's see this mechanism. Okay, here it goes. If you'll see carefully. Okay, let's try now. Here. Is it locking? No. Maybe I have to do something, some adjustment, and then it will work. Okay, so let me just show you this knob thing. Is it? Yeah, I think it's moving the blade. And this one, as you can see, is corrugated. It's a wooden handle here. It's STANLEY written. Maybe I messed up. No, not like this. Or I should place it like this, and then if I try, no. So what this does is it just moves this thing little bit backward. Let me just try moving the screw. Does it make a difference? I'm not sure. Okay, or let's leave it for some other time. I will learn it, like how to operate this or fix this thing later on. Let's measure the dimensions. If you check from here to here, it's 34 centimeter, as you can see here, and the height, if you will see, it's 14 centimeter. So this was the planer. Let me put it here, this part here, and yeah, I think this part is fixed. Here also something is written. Okay, 12-205. Okay, this one is heavy actually. So I think like this we have to use. Let's say this is good. Okay. Let's see where I will use it. Hopefully it will be useful in future.